How to find wallet address on Binance app. If you want to go and add crypto to your Binance account or just go and receive crypto, then what you need to do is find your wallet address. So let's do this. What you first need to do is go and open up the Binance app like this. All you need to do is go to the bottom right. I'm going to tap on that wallet icon and this will then show you what your wallet. And then what you need to do is go down to assets here, and to the right of assets is a little sort of magnification glass. This is a search button. You can tap there, and then what you can do is type in the currency which you want to go and find your wallet address for. So I type in BTC in this case, then you can go and tap on the currency, and then you can go and tap on deposit. This is the network that your crypto is going to be sent on. So being correct is really important. If you go and select the run network here, and you're going to send it on a different network, then it's pretty likely you aren't going to go and receive your crypto. So if somebody else is sending you crypto, it's worth asking them what network they're using. And if you're sending your crypto from another exchange, then make sure you're using the same network. In this case, I'm using the Bitcoin network, so I'll tap there, and just like that, we're now given our deposit BTC screen. And here we can go and see our Bitcoin deposit address. As I said before, every coin is going to have a different address. So if you then want to go on a different coin, you need to go through that process again. But yeah, we can go and use this QR code, or you can just go and copy the address like that by clicking on those sort of two squares. And what you can do is go and send that to somebody, or you can just go and paste it on another exchange or whatever wallet you're using and go and send Bitcoin to that address, and you can then go and use it on Binance. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.